about to watch our screencast on how to get a quota in order to get a temporary residence permit in Russia. Let's go.
Hello everyone, this is our commercial offer for obtaining quota on temporary residence permit. So here is the general information. So you can get your temporary residence permit if you will win this quota. So it's kind of a lottery. It's usually compared to USA green card system. So in order to be eligible to apply for a quota, you only have to have a valid visa, actually. And so the idea is that each year the quotas are allocated to different regions of Russia. This is the example of the number of quotas. So how many quotas will be allocated in each region. Okay, let's go further. Our service here is to make the quota application. We will correctly fill out the application form, so you could use it as many times as you wish, actually, because again, it's like a lottery. So if you will win this quota, that means that you will get the legal rights to apply for a temporary residence permit issued for 3 years. So here, let's check out the stages of our work. So first of all, we will sign the contract with you. The main goal under this contract would be the correct filling out the application for the quota. So we'll need your passport, migration card, your registration, valid visa, and 4 photos. Also, when we'll send the contract and you'll pay the service fee, we will create a work group chat with my colleague who will ask you a lot of questions in order to fill out the application. Also, he will ask you to send us scans if you have any sort of, diplomas, any sort of employment contracts, because it's better to have all the information about your background, so your chances would be higher in order to get this quota. Okay, and then we need around 3-5 business days in order to make this application form. And then we'll just send you the ready-made application, which you can print out and put your signature there. Then you can use your application in order to apply for this quota. Also, by the way, there is no state fee in order to get accepted. All right. So then if we're talking about Moscow, when you apply your quota application, then the result would be after around like 2 months. So here is the cost of the service. It is 15,000 rubles for filling out the application form. Here you can check the payment options as well as the overhead costs and the additional services. Basically, that's it. I wish you good luck winning this quota.
Thank you for watching our screencast. I hope it was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Telegram channel, and all our social media. Stay tuned.